Porthcurno, Porthcurno, meaning Pinnacle Cove, see below, is a small village covering a small valley and beach on the south coast of Cornwall, England in the United Kingdom. It is the main settlement in a civil and an ecclesiastical parish, both named St. Levon, which comprise Porthcurno, diminutive St. Levon itself, Trethui and Treen. It is centered 6.6 miles, 10.6 kilometers, west of the railway, market and resort town of Penzance and 2.5 miles, 4.0 kilometers, from Land's End, the most westerly point of the English mainland. Road access is via the north end of the valley along a long cul-de-sac with short branches off the B3283, and land traditionally associated with the village, including its beach, is on the southwest coast path. Porthcurno is unusually well known for its size because of its history as a major international submarine communications cable station. In the late 19th century, the remote beach at Porthcurno became internationally famous as the British termination of early submarine telegraph cables, the first of which was landed in 1870, part of an early international link stretching all the way from the UK to India, which was then a British colony. Porthcurno was chosen in preference to the busy port of Falmouth because of the reduced risk of damage to the cables caused by ships' anchors. In 1872, the Eastern Telegraph Company, ETC, Limited was formed, which took over the operation of the cables and built a cable office in Porthcurno Valley. The concrete cable hut, where the cable shore ends were connected to their respective landlines, is a listed building and still stands at the top of the beach. Etc. And its cable operations expanded through the late 19th and early 20th centuries, in 1928 to merge with Marconi's Wireless Telegraph Company Limited to form Imperial and International Communications Limited, which was renamed Cable and Wireless Limited in 1934. Cable and Wireless Limited was a predecessor company of Cable and Wireless Worldwide and Cable and Wireless Communications. In the interwar years, the Porthcurno cable office operated as many as 14 cables, for a time becoming the largest submarine cable station in the world, with the capacity to receive and transmit up to 2 million words a day. Porthcurno is still known colloquially by the acronym PARC, being represented in Morse code as D-da-da-dit followed by da-di-da, communicating with a line operator and testing connections, an acronym often sent.